Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie and today I brought part 2 of our little duck tutorial. I really hope you are enjoying it. I was very happy with the results of part 1 in the first video, and we are ready to start the second part. Today we are going to learn how to make the body. In the first video, we made the head. And I already want to remind you not to forget to subscribe here to the channel. So let's begin, continuing right here with the body. I have it here, look, with the head we made in the previous video. I started adding stuffing, okay guys? But I put it mostly in this top section here. Because for this next round, we are going to work single crochet over single crochet in the back. Loops only. And I didn't want too much stuffing here so I wouldn't accidentally pull the fiber fill out. We stopped at round number 31, and now we are going to continue with round number 32. We will do single crochet over single crochet in the back loops only, and we will have 30 single crochet stitches in total. So, I will insert my hook right here into the back loop. Can you see it? We have the 2 loops here, right? I insert into the back. Loop, catch my yarn, and make a single crochet. I will do this all the way around this round. I will have 30 single crochet stitches in total, leaving these front loops exposed. Because in the next round, we are going to work single crochet over single crochet in the front loops, okay? Why do I do this here on the neck, guys? To make it more defined. I'll show you. Look, can you see how the neck looks very well defined here? It's because of this single crochet over single crochet technique right through the inside loops and then through the outside loops. That's why I do it, okay? So I will work round number 32, single crochet over single crochet in the back loops only. All right, everyone, I finished round number 32. Now, in round number 33, we are going to pick up here. Look, the front loop, pull the yarn, and make a single crochet. We will do this all the way around, single crochet over single crochet, in the front loops only, and when I finish this round, I am going to fill the head with stuffing, okay? I will work the whole round here in all the front loops and then add stuffing. We add the stuffing little by little, and we place it like this. Look, put plenty of it here in the cheek area so it gets that perfectly correct shape. Keep placing it everywhere, little by little with patience. But don't leave any spot unfilled, okay? I will work my round here, add the stuffing, and come back to continue with you. There we go, guys. Look, I added the stuffing, see? I put the stuffing in, moving little by little, pressing it to see if there is any spot missing, and shaping the format of the head as well. When we add stuffing, guys, it is very important that you put it in little by little so your little head gets the correct shape, okay? So keep adding it slowly, checking the spots that are lacking. If needed, use a needle or tweezers to help place it in the right spots. And keep molding the amigurumi too so it turns out beautiful, all right? And let's continue now. We are going to work round number 34 and 35. In these rounds, we will do just single crochet over single crochet. And at the end of these rounds, we will have 30 single crochet stitches in total. Let's work round number 34 and 35. Just single crochet over single crochet. I will work the last ones, and when I finish, I'll be back to continue with you. Ready, guys? Round number 35 is finished. Let's work round number 36, which will be 4 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 36 single crochet stitches in total. Let's go ahead with 4 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. Now let's work round number 37, which will be 5 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 42 single crochet stitches in total. I will also call out round number 38 right now, which will be 6 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 48 single crochet stitches in total. So look, guys, I always leave the pattern details passing right up here for you, and I already called out 2 rounds for you there. If you have any doubts, just look at the on-screen pattern text, okay? Let's keep working round number 37 and 38. All right, everyone, let's work round number 39 now, which will be 7 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 54 single crochet stitches in total. Let's keep doing 7 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. I finished round number 39, guys. Now we are going to work from round number 40 all the way to round number 53. Just single crochet over single crochet, and these rounds will have a total of 54 single crochet stitches. So let's work stitch over stitch from round number 40 up to round number 53. Let's do from round number 40 to 53 just stitch over stitch, and all these rounds will have 54 stitches in total. I will work my rounds and come back so we can continue. Done, guys. Look, I finished here this round number 53. And now we are going to work round number 54, which will be 7 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 48 single crochet stitches. And in round number 55, we are going to do 6 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 42 single crochet stitches in total. Let's work these 2 rounds then. All right, everyone, I finished round number 55. Now we are going to work round number 56, which will be 5 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 36 single crochet stitches in total. And in round number 57 we are going to do 4 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we are going to have 30 single crochet stitches in total. I will work these 2 rounds and come back here to continue the next rounds with you. Ready, guys? Now let's work rounds 58 and 59. As you can see, I already started adding stuffing, and as I narrow it down here, I will keep adding more. In round number 58, we are going to do 3 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. Repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we are going to have 24 single crochet stitches. And in round number 59, we are going to do 2 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of the round, we will have 18 single crochet stitches in total. I will work these 2 rounds and come back to continue with you. I finished round number 59 here, guys, and I already put stuffing in. It's very firm. Can you see? Add stuffing until your amigurumi feels completely right and well structured. Don't leave it floppy. Make sure it's done the right way. With these steps here, you can see that it has this part that is thinner, then it gains some weight. It slims at the neck, and here it goes straight down. Let's work round 60 now, which will be 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 24 single crochet stitches in total. And in round number 61, we are going to do 6 decreases, and we will have a total of 6 single crochet stitches. Let's work these 2 rounds then. I will do mine and come back so we can continue. Alright everyone, I finished here and made a slip stitch. After the decreases, now I cut the yarn, leaving a tail like this, and pull my thread through, reminding you that I added plenty of stuffing. I am going to thread it into my tapestry needle. And now I will pass it through the front loops only. Then I enter right through the middle of the hole, and I will bring the needle out here at the back. This thread, guys, I am going to leave it right here so I can fasten it off together with the tail thread later, okay? I won't cut it right now, and it will look like this. Now the head and body are ready. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss any uploads. That was it for today then, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Sending you a big hug, stay blessed, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.